Yangi level, skipper, hey, PH, and make I beg you, 2 bottles of stout. I cannot kill myself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a wig tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this wig without a closure. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'll be showing you guys how I was able to make this wig without closure. I ended up using 4 bundles and I did like a sewing right around the closure area. You're going to see everything in the video. This hair is from Wigsbuy hair company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs in the description box below. And yes guys, that's what it's going to be. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hi guys, so the package came through UPS and the hair is from Wigsbuy hair company, like I said earlier on. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what a bundle looks like. So this is what the lace frontal looks like. Since I didn't use it, I'm going to be adding it to the giveaway package. So it's going to be the lace frontal and the giveaway package for whoever wins this giveaway. So this is what the giveaway package looks like, and this is what the bundle in the package looks like. Just go to the description box and just read the description box to see the rules of this giveaway. So I'm gonna start with the first bundle. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my glue, and then I'll place the weave on the glue and apply pressure. So once I'm done with the first bundle, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the second bundle. Now I'm done with the second bundle. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the third bundle. Like I said earlier on, just check the description box for the giveaway rules. And the giveaway will last for just 2 weeks. I'm going to announce the winner on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. It's CynthKOB. Try to understand, they call me Peter Pan. Let's fly, be my Wendy, but we might not never land. Your love is only worth the love of classy gentlemen. You say I want. So now I'm done with the third bundle. I'm going to go ahead and begin with the fourth bundle. So instead of doing the glue, I'll be doing a sewing right here. I have actually done a wig without a closure. I've actually done something like this with a glue, but this time I decided to do a sewing. But to be honest, both of them are just the same thing. Whether you do the sewing or you do the glue method, any method you want to do, to me they are the same thing. They still give you the same result. So when I get to the end, I just flip over. I don't cut it. If you want to cut yours, that's fine, but I just didn't see any need to cut mine, so I just flip it over. know I won't.
So once I've gotten to the top, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my bonding glue and apply on the weave, and then after applying it, I'll just roll it, press it together and use my blow dryer to dry it. And then after that, I'll take my hair straightener to flatten it very well. And then I'll apply the bonding glue and then dry it and apply the closure. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and create my part. You can do a middle part or a side part, you know, whatever suits you. So I'll be doing a side part for this. I'm gonna comb it very well, and then I'm gonna apply my heat protectant. And then I'm gonna try to lay it flat with my hair straightener. And when I'm done with the wig, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. I absolutely love it. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video because it's something I want to tell you guys. I don't know if any of